Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the environment so the reset is safe. Close Visual Studio Code and export or copy settings. JSON, key bindings, JSON and your extensions list. This preserves anything you may need later. Once done, find the configuration folder for your OS, %appdata% on Windows, /. Config on Linux or // library on Mac OS because you'll modify or remove files there. Make sure to disable or sign out of settings sync first. Otherwise, the cloud may reapply your old configuration. Now you execute the reset. Uninstall Visual Studio Code using your operating system's uninstall tool, then remove residual user data if you want a full clean. Specifically delete or rename the user settings folder, extension cache, and application state files to force a fresh configuration. After that, reinstall from the official installer. During setup, avoid automatic sign-in or sync so you can confirm a clean slate. This ensures extensions and settings are not silently restored and lets you control what returns and why. Finish by verifying VS Code launches cleanly before restoring anything. You can re-enable settings sync only after confirming default behavior, then selectively reinstall extensions and import your saved settings. JSON so you don't reintroduce problems. If something still behaves oddly, check the Developer Tools console and the log files via Help toggle Developer Tools to find errors or extension failures. One key troubleshooting tip. If an extension causes issues, disable all extensions and re-enable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.